Hello, if you're looking for a custom clothing manufacturer who's gonna make your products from scratch and in very high quality, so you definitely need to check us today. So the services we are providing is we are providing custom cut and sew, we are doing embroidery, we're providing 3D embroidery, then we are in the prints we are providing puff print, also this screen print, vinyl, like multi-reflective, the reflective, and also there are some other methods we are doing tackle twill. So everything is customized, like we are doing tags and bags, so every single product have the inside label, then have the hanging tags, then the bags can be customized. So whichever your liking is, you guys gonna tell us, like this is how I want my stuff, and we're gonna make it same according to your liking. So it's your time to join one of the top and legit manufacturing company. So I am inviting you to see our factory at the end. We're gonna show you the whole process. Thank you so much.